Hi, I'm Robyn and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I know how hard it is to get dinner on the table, especially on weeknights, but we're making it easy to make 30-minute meals for everyday grilling with simple, easy-to-use ingredients and tools from our friends at Masterbuilt, Kingsford, and Walmart. Today we're making a blistered tomato and cheese skewer finished with basil oil. Let's get started. So now that we've loaded our Kingsford charcoal, I'm gonna crank the grill to 450, which is high temp grilling. It should only take about 10 minutes. So meanwhile, I'm gonna start prepping these skewers. After that, I'm going to make a basil oil that will be drizzled on the skewers. So let's take these skewers to the grill. This cheese is called Mexican frying cheese, and it actually works really well for grilling. Once the cheese has reached a nice deep char mark, you can flip it over. It should take no more than 4 minutes per side. Now that we've taken our skewers off the grill, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble my salad. All right, let's take a bite. Oh my gosh. It's amazing, something so simple with minimal ingredients can be so yum. The cheese gets a nice char and absorbs that smoke flavor from the Kingsford charcoal. Thanks for watching. You can find this recipe and many more 30-minute meals right here. Shop Walmart for your Gravity Series 800 and your Kingsford charcoal. See you next time.